What are you going to do? I finish my meeting with my provider. Now I am going to please send the documents for create in the system. I finished the creation in the system of my new provider. I am going to request in the codes of your products. I have already entered the codes of products. I am going to create the price. I have a built-in ready in the system. I am going to send the information to the areas that need it. I am going with the new purchase order from some area for generate a new request to my new provider. The production area requires a supply. I am going to check if my new provider has it. The provider has the supply. I am going to request that the train sent to me. I am going to create the purchase order format. I received the supply. I am going to enter it into the system. I am going to deliver the supply to the production area. Thank you.